Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D2 chapter number 1 exercise 1B, that is about the direct variations. Students, in this class we will be learning and discussing question number 7 and 8 of the exercise. Let's read the question 7 first. Question 7 says that y is directly proportional to x cube, and then what we have to do, we have to complete the table. Okay. So let's think about that how to solve such type of situations. First of all, it's given that y is directly proportional to x cube. So y directly proportional to x cube and y equals to kx cube. Now, in order to find constant of variations, what we have to do, we have to look at the given table. There must be one place given to you where both the values of x and y are completely given to you. That will be the place that will be used for the calculation of constant of variation. This is also one of the important points, that what I have to do is that y is 648 equals to k times 6 cube, and 6 cube, if I'm not wrong, is 216 k equals to 648. I have to isolate k. I have to find value of k. So 648 divided by 216 equals to k, which is the constant of variation. Now I have to divide this number. Let's first give a try mentally. 2 tens are and 2 eights are, and this is 2 threes are, 2s are and 4s are, and then 2 5s are and 4s are, 2 16 32 and 2s are, and then 2 27 times, and 2 8s are and 1s are, and 9 3s are 27, and 9 9s are, and 3 1s are and 3 3s are. Okay, students, the purpose of these all classes is to teach you how to perform the calculation mentally. Okay, so you can see that we are successful in getting k, the constant of variation. So let me once again try this. That 640 divided by 216 equals to 3. So the equation that we are getting is y equals to 3 times x cube. So we have the rule with us that will be helping us in completion of the table. Now look, the first value of x is 3. So what we have to do is that we have to take this rule, this machine, and we have to replace the value of that variable at that place. Like this is 3 and this is value of x. 3 cube is 27. 3 times 27. 27 3 times is 81. Okay, you can see that I'm trying to perform the calculation mentally, and the second unknown value of x is 4. X is 4, so y equals to 3 times x cube, and this is 3 times 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 3 times 64, and now I have to multiply 64 by 3. 4 3s are 12, 6 is 18, and 1 19, 192. Okay. Again, the relationship is y equals to 3x cube. Here value of y is given 375 equals to 3x cube. Shift 3 to other side. 375 by 3, and this is x cube. 7 and 3 10 and 5 15. 3 1s are 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, and 3 5s are 15. So x cube equals to 125. Now what we can do is that x cube equals to 5 cube, and x equals to, I have to take the cube root. 5 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, this goes, and x equals to 5. X equals to 5. So for 375, value of x is 5. I hope you are really clear that how we are finding the values of these unknowns with the help of the given rule. Okay, and you can see that I'm focusing on how to perform the calculation mentally. Please learn the tables, squares and roots and cube roots for better understanding of different topics and to make your calculation easy and fast. And the last value is that the given relationship is y equals to 3x cube, and this time we are given with the value of y 10 to 9 equals to 3x cube, and I need to find value of x cube or x. I have to isolate that. 1029 divided by 3 equals to x cube. Now whether can we divide this 1029? Let's check it by test of divisibility. 9 and 2 11 and 1 12. Yes, we can divide this. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 threes are 9. 343 and x cube. Now I have to think about the number whose cube is 343. Let me check. 2 is 8 and 3 is 27 and 4 is 64, 5 is 125, 6 is 216, and I hope this is 7 cube. 7 cube. And then what we have to do, I have to remove this cube root. 1 by 3, 7 multiplied by 1 by 3, I have to remove the cube, so take cube root. X equals to 7, so x equals to 7. And moving to question number 8. Question 8 says, given that the mass mg of the sphere is directly proportional to cube of radius r, copy and complete the table. As in this question, table is given, some of the values are given and some are not given, but there is one place where both x and y values or r or m values are given. This will be the place, students, which will be helping us in the calculation of constant of variation. So first of all, let's write on the equation connecting m and r, because mass is directly proportional to cube of radius r cube. So mass will be equal to k into r cube. And now this is the place, here value of r is 1.5, r equals to 1.5 and m equals to 6.75. 6.75 equals to k times 1.5 cube. Here I will recommend my students that they can use calculator because the calculations are complex. 1.5 cube, and this is 6.75 equals to k into 3.375. Now in order to find value of k, what we have to do is 375k 6.75 divided by 3.375 equals to k. So 6.75 divided by 3.375 is 2. 2 equals to k. So the constant of variation is 2. Now what we have to do is that we have to write on the equation connecting m and r. M equals to 2 times r cube. Okay, and then first value of r is 0.2. M equals to 2 times 0.2 cube, and 2 cube is 8, and then 0.2 multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by 0.2. This is 2 multiplied by 0.008, and when I will be multiplying this number by 2, and this will give me 0.016, and I have to fill up the answer space as well, 0.016. Now the next unknown is value of r, and for which value of m is given. Again, I have to use the rule 2m equals to 2r cube. Value of m is 0.25 equals to 2 times r cube, and shift this 2 to other side. 0.25 divided by 2 equals to r cube, and 0.25 divided by 2 gives me 0.125. 125 equals to r cube. Let me go up. R cube equals to 0.125, and now I have to take the cube root. So I'll press shift and the cube root key and 0.125. This gives me 0.5. R equals to cube root of 0.125, and this is 0.5. 0.5. So here I'm supposed to replace 0.5. Moving to third unknown. Okay, again the relationship is m equals to 2r cube, and in this case value of r is 0.7. M equals to 2 into 0.7 cube, and 0.7 cube, 0.7 times 7.7, and this is 2 times 0.343. Multiply it by 2. This is 686. 686, and then the next value is completely known, and the fourth unknown is value of r, and for that value of m is given. The relationship we are going to use is m equals to 2r cube, and value of m is 11.664 equals to 2r cube. In order to find value of r, first I have to isolate r cube. 11.664 divided by 2. 11.664 divided by 2 gives me r cube. 5.832 equals to r cube, or r cube equals to 5.832. In order to get value of r, I have to do the reverse process. I have to take the cube root on both sides. Okay, and 5.832, and I have to take the cube root. Okay, shift and cube 5.832, and this gives me 1.8. R equals to 1.8. So I have to replace the value over here, 1.8. I hope students you are really clear that how in case of the table questions we are using the concept of direct variation, how we are calculating constant of variation and finding the remaining values. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.